If you want to do retopology on your model but find it to be a boring process, don't worry. I'll show you an add-on that makes this process much easier, faster, and possibly enjoyable. Hi there, I am Farid. Welcome to Pivot Point, and I'm happy to see you here. Here I am doing retopology on a high poly mesh that I generated using AI. I also have a quick video about AI 3D model generation. The link will be in description. This add-on has many useful tools. I'll quickly mention its major features and explain them one by one. The Quad Patch tool is very useful in many situations. It can add polygons and fill L and U-shaped gaps. The Brush tool serves multiple purposes, such as adding, moving, and smoothing polygons. Extrude offers different methods like parallel and bend, along with automated edge extrude. Now let's talk about how to use this add-on. First, create an empty mesh object, which is basically an object without polygons. Enable snapping and choose phase mode. To open the add-on settings, press the N key and switch to the Tools section. Select the empty object, go to Edit mode, and ensure you are in Vertex mode with add-on selected in left panel. You can also enable retopology to see objects better. Click on 4 points to create your first quad. The goal here is to create your first polygon, and you can do it however you prefer. Now let's break down each tool. The first one is Quad Patch tool. This tool is the best when you need to create polygons on large surfaces. Usage is simple. Select the Quad Patch tool, then select an edge loop by clicking and holding the left mouse button. You can also select part of an edge loop by holding the left mouse button and dragging along the edge. Then draw a new edge. Adjust the edge loop amount before drawing by changing line length, or after drawing by changing edge divide. It's also useful for filling L or U-shaped gaps. To do this, make sure you are in vertex selection mode. Press and hold the left mouse button on one edge to select the edge loop. Move your mouse to the end of the other loop and draw the line. Bingo! Smooth brush. Use the smooth brush to adjust polygons easily. Press and hold Shift, then left click and drag to smooth out the polygons. Extrude feature. Hover over an edge, click the small arrow, and drag to extrude. The tool is smart enough to match edges accordingly. There are 3 extrusion options: parallel, bend, and flex. Parallel keeps the edge rotation unchanged. Bend and flex, these options allow the extruded edge to turn, with flex rotating edges slightly more. For automated extrusion, click and hold the white arrow, then move the mouse. You can also extrude vertices to create new faces. There is also a dedicated extrude tool if you don't want to press and hold the mouse every time, but it doesn't support automated extrusion. Brush tool. You can also add polygons using brush tool. Hold down Shift, then hover over an edge or vertex, and left click. To remove edges or vertices, simply click, hold, and release the mouse button. Change the brush size and strength from the right panel, or by holding Shift, left click. Edge loop tool. This tool is mainly for extruding an entire edge loop. If you press Ctrl, you can add edge loops more easily. Manual adjustments. The great thing about this add-on is that if you need to make manual changes, you can switch to edit mode, modify your mesh, then switch back to add-on to continue your work. For example, if you need to fill a gap, switch to edit mode, select the gap, press Ctrl F, and choose grid fill. Fine-tune the settings. If the gap doesn't fill properly, ensure the number of vertices is even. If not, just add an extra edge loops to make them even. Customization. This add-on is customizable. You can see key combinations like Ctrl plus left click, Alt plus left click, and more. You can assign any feature to them. For example, I can assign knife to Alt plus left click, or I can assign the delete feature. Now it's your turn to explore the add-on and share your experiences. If you found this video helpful, please consider liking and subscribing. It really motivates me a lot. In the next video, I'll show you an excellent add-on for hard surface modeling and non-destructive way of creating sci-fi panels. Then I'll show you how you can bake them onto a low poly mesh and texture it in Substance Painter. Until then, take care. Thanks for watching. Stay in touch.